It looks like a busy day at the construction site.
Yeah.
Let's see what Billy and Edna are up to. That's a lot of cement! Edna, watch out! Oh no! Billy, look out! Can you move? Uh-oh, that container looks like it might fall. I think you need some help. Hey, Carl, we need your help. You're watching the Lego movie? Sorry, but it's an emergency. Billy and Edna are stuck in wet cement. See, Carl? They are really stuck. I think Carl has an idea. Wow, there's quite a crowd. It's Super Truck. He's a jackhammer truck. Cool. The jackhammer's breaking up the concrete. I think you need to hurry. That container won't hold out for much longer. Oh no! The jackhammer has overheated! We're running out of time! I think you need the ST3000 to help you. What will the ST3000 be today? It's the ST3000! I wonder what it is! Whatever it can do, it needs to be quick! It's a laser! Neat! Billy's free! We're nearly out of time! Great idea! Phew! That was close! Yes! Super Truck and the ST3000 have done it! Well done, Super Truck! Edna wants to know what they can do to say thank you. I think Super Truck has an idea. Wow! It's a Lego party! Great! Nice Lego car! But where's Super Truck? Are you having fun at your Lego party, Super Truck? Well done, Carl. I mean, Super Truck. See you next time. Bye.
This is not going to be easy. Super Truck is known to be good at this game. And they score! Right, Super Truck, let's go to the base. Babies and Ben were having fun at the amusement park when Ben accidentally hit the carousel. Now everybody is stuck. That's right. We need to go there right now. Oh no! The situation is now even worse! No, you can't drive on the mud because you'll get stuck! Your wheels just aren't big enough! You've got an idea? A monster truck? Great idea! That's it! Keep going! Okay, Ben. Super Truck will push you out of this trouble. Yes, it's working! You're saved, Ben! Now we have to save the babies. This mud is like quicksand. Come on, Super Truck. Full power. Stop, Super Truck. You'll get stuck if you keep moving. Hey, Billy? You came to help us? Fantastic. Thank you for saving Super Truck, Billy. You're right. Let's use ST3000. Billy, you lead the way and try to get as close to the carousel as possible, okay? Come on, baby. It's not time to play. Don't move. You're all safe now, babies. Thank you for your help, Billy. Wow, looks like the coaster has been fixed. Who wants to have a play? Okay, let's go. Have fun, everybody. See you next time.
Are you preparing to distribute hot chocolate for the winter? That looks delicious! Oh no, there's a hole in the machine! Be careful, Walter! That chocolate is slippery! Watch out, Carrie! The chocolate machine needs a repair! Playing hide and seek? There's a problem at the diner, ST! Carrie and Walter need your help to fix the hot chocolate machine! Careful with the slippery floor, ST! Well, that was close! You'll need to transform, ST! Ouch! That must hurt! The chocolate is still coming out on the floor, ST! Are you trying to prevent the chocolate from spreading? Are you looking for the control panel? Nice job, ST! Watch out, ST! Use the ST-3000! Are you going to use the freezing ray to freeze the chocolate coming out? Keep steady, ST. Good job, ST. Delicious! Thanks for saving the day, ST. Where is Frank the firefighter? Well done, Ben!
Hey!
There is fire at the farm! Hurry up, Super Truck! The fire is gone, but Frank took out the fire, but the water created this huge mud puddle. You're going to get stuck! Oh no! Yes! Go on, Frank! That was close! Any other ideas? Super flying car! Try again, Super Truck! Super Truck, stop! How can we get Frank out of this trouble? Super Tickle Truck? What are you going to do? Tickle time! Come on, Super Truck, you're close! Frank can't stop laughing! How can we stop him, Super Truck? Hi-Fi machine? What are you going to play, Super Truck? Happy times, my friends! Let's dance together! Thank you so much, Super Truck! You saved the day! What is it? You're cooling your friends on this hot day, huh?
Oh no, there's a fire in the city! You look tired, Super Truck. Can you handle the fire? Let's stop the fire then! Super Truck, get the trash can away from the fire! Oh, what a sneeze! Oh no, the fire is spreading! Time to transform! Super Fire Truck is ready to stop the fire. Oh, looks like you are dehydrated, Super Truck. The hose needs more energy. Give it all you've got. Frank is here to help, Super Truck. There is another fire in the city center. Super Truck will take care of it. Frank will join you once done with this fire. Traffic is busy today. Use your sirens so cars can let you pass. Super Truck seems out of energy. Even his sirens are off. Watch out! What a mess. Are you sure you can handle this, Super Truck? Oh no! Super Truck is shooting slime! Matilda, Super Truck is sick. He needs some rest. Super Truck is eager to save the city. You need to stop, Super Truck. You'll end up hurting yourself. Oh no! Super Truck is bringing chaos to the city! Rescue Squad, Super Truck needs your help! Oh no, Super Truck is losing consciousness. Welcome to the hospital, Super Truck. Amber is here to take care of you. Super Truck is worried about the fire in the city center. Don't worry, Super Truck. Frank is taking care of it. This pill will restore your energy. Super Truck is eager to save the city. Amber still needs to do some tests. The temperature is back to normal. Super Truck is fully recovered. Super Truck needs to save Frank before it's too late. Time to use the ST-3000. The super reactor will take you to the fire in no time. Great! Your sirens are back to work. Hold on, Frank. Help is on the way. Super Truck is spreading water at full pressure. Keep up the good work, Super Truck. Let's hope that Frank is okay. There is Frank. Let's make sure he is well and healthy. Amber wants to give you a medical check, Frank. Seems Amber is right. Wow! What a race! Jerry is in the lead, and Crocodile doesn't look too happy. What? He is throwing eggs at Jerry. You're a cheat, Crocodile! Oh no! Are you okay, Jerry? Super Truck, Frank, you have to help him. Oh no, Jerry is stuck in the mud. You are so evil, Crocodile. Be careful, guys. There's a lot of mud. Oh no! Super Truck and Frank got stuck too. We can't let Crocodile get away. It's time to transform. Wow! It's Super Monster Truck! Look at those giant wheels! Now is the time to help them. Come on, guys! You can do it! Oh no! Can you push them both at the same time, Super Monster Truck? Yes! You did it! Can anyone go after the villain? Yes! Super Monster Truck can do it! Super Truck, you've got him! Get ready, Crocodile. Watch out, Super Monster Truck! There are mud eggs everywhere! Incredible skills! Oh no, don't give up, Super Monster Truck! Yes! Amazing! You can run, but you can't hide, Crocodile. Oh no! A mudslide! You have to save your friend, Super Truck. Frank, Jerry, you have to run away! Poor Jerry, he has a flat tire. Faster, Super Monster Truck! Whoa! Incredible! Oh no, there's no time to run away. You have to use the ST-3000. Yes, the super telekinetic ray.
You did it, Super Monster Truck! The wall of rocks stopped the mudslide. Now, you have to stop the villain. Give up, Crocodile. It's over. Super Monster Truck, watch out! Great move. Sorry, Crocodile. Looks like you're the one who's stuck now. That new tire's looking good, Jerry. And I think someone regrets the chaos they caused. Hi, Carrie. Getting the maze prepared for Halloween? Jerry is also here in the cornfield. Where is Jerry? You have to find Jerry. What's wrong, Walter? Oh no, it's a ghost! Super Truck, we have a problem. There's a ghost in the cornfield. Carrie and Jerry are stuck inside with the ghost. Time to transform, Super Truck. Super Police Truck is here to stop the ghost. The siren will scare the ghost and attract Carrie and Jerry toward you. The ghost is after you. Run! Carrie, run toward the siren. Super Truck is here to save you from the ghost. The ghost was too close to get Carrie. The ghost just disappeared. Let's get you out first. Don't worry. Super Truck will come back for Jerry. The ghost is trying to keep you inside. You should find another exit. The ghost put it there to scare you. Which way? That must be from Jerry's tires. Let's follow it. There's no way out. What was that? Oh, there is another mud trail. What are you going to do now? Behind you! There he is! I think it's time to stop this ghost with the ST-3000. A ghost hoover? Amazing! Stay here, Carrie. Super Truck will take care of everything. Super Truck, the ghost is behind you. Stop! Where is Jerry? Jerry? You were dressed as a ghost. Your prank wasn't so funny. You owe Carrie an apology. Apologies accepted, but pranks shouldn't be pushed that far. Is that another prank, Jerry? Happy spooky Halloween! What's the new creation, Dr. Zig? Oh no, you cloned Super Truck. The robot is alive and seems evil. Nice Halloween costumes, babies. Be careful, babies. Oh no, the candies! You're not dreaming. That was your evil twin. Oh no, the babies think it was Super Truck who stole the candies. You have to get the candy back so they know you're innocent, Super Truck. Time to transform! The robot is too fast. Time to use some magic tricks. The spell is going to stop the robot. Oh, that was close. You have to get the basket before the robot gets away. Bullseye! The baby must be waiting. Now that everything's all right, it's time to go to the Halloween costume contest. It's Halloween's costume competition. Super Truck and the babies want to participate too. Planning to win with that costume, Dr. Zig? What are you planning to do this time? Watch out! Oh no, slime is ruining everyone's costumes. Everyone except you, Dr. Zig. Oh no, the Halloween costume contest is ruined. Dr. Zig still has his costume, so he is the only one who can win. This is not fair. Dr. Zig was cheating. Can you fix this, Super Truck?
Wow!
A magic car wash! Dr. Zig needs to learn a lesson about fair play. A slime gun? Awesome! That's how you were treating the other participants. Not so funny, isn't it? You are out of the competition. The wizard costume is the winner! Don't you ever stop, Dr. Zig. Watch out, Super Truck! Hey, the robot is friendly now. It seems that Dr. Zig never learns.